Hi, this is Mark Richard over at Finding Homes for You. Thanks for dropping by. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use the price checker. You go to the first field where this drop-down menu is, and there are lots of cities you can choose from, but I'm going to go with Chesterfield today because that's where we base out of. Then under the price reduction field, you can choose to see who lowered their price in the last day, last 3 days, 7 days, 2 weeks. I'm going to go with 2 weeks. You can put a maximum price in here if you want. I leave it blank just to check out an entire city to see what it looks like. I want minimum of 3 bedrooms. I'm going to leave that blank. And then I hit search. So we have 7 results were returned. This shows you where the 7 houses are located that just lowered their price in the last 2 weeks. You could go down here, and what you look for is the little green arrows that shows you how much they dropped the price by. So let's go down here. There's some pretty big discounts. Here's one on Millbridge. Let's take a look at that. If you see, it's a $21,000 price reduction. If you want to know more about that property, you click here and it'll take you over to the property. And you can see the inside and all the usual things you see on an MLS listing. Here's where this is different and the power of this and how it can help you keep ahead of your competitors. If you like this house and it has potential, you want to add it as a favorite. Once you click that and you add it as a favorite, then our system will continue to track this house, and if there's any further price reductions in the future or if it goes under contract, you'll automatically be notified by email. That's how simple it is to use. It's simple but powerful. Thanks for listening and enjoy the price checker.